Translate phrases into algebraic expressions. Now here we'll learn cases where multiplication and division is involved, right? So till now we had been doing addition and subtraction. Now let's look into some expressions which could be written as multiplication and division. So we have 4 examples here which says 10 times a number. 10 times a number. So first let's define what variable is. And in all 4 cases we have number. Let's read them first. B is double a number, and then half of a number, and then D is square of a number. So we'll define our variable first, and then we say let the number be n. So we have defined our variable. So for us number is n. Now the question is 10 times a number. So we can write an expression 10n. Remember, if we don't write anything in between, it means multiplication. We do not write 10 times n since this can be confusing, right? Sometimes it may look like x, a variable, so it creates confusion. Well, at times we write 10.n, that also means multiplication. But we'll avoid that also because in decimal numbers it can create confusion. So when there is no operator in between, then it means multiplication. Okay, so 10n is good enough, and we will follow this technique or nomenclature. So we'll use 10n and it will mean 10 times n. Okay, second one is double a number. Double means 2 times. So double 2n. 2 times a number, double the number. If number is 10, multiply by 2, you get 20. It becomes double a number. 6 multiply by 2, 12. So that is how you can double a number. So that becomes an expression which represents your phrase double a number, correct? Half of a number is kind of half of a number, half n, correct? So that is how we can write half of a number. Square of a number means number and its square. That is square of a number. It really means you multiply n 2 times. I'm writing dot here just to make it more clear, but n square or nn is good enough, right? So these are the ways we can represent or write or translate phrases into algebraic expression. So all these cases we are multiplying. Look at the words which help you figure out whether you should multiply, add or subtract. Now when we have terms like 10 times, times means multiplication, right? So you know it is 10 and then we have got this times, right? A number n. Do you see that now? Double a number means 2 times. Double a number, triple a number. These words means inherently 2 times or twice a number, right? So that is similar, right? So it could be double, twice, 2 times. So these are the words which are multiplication. Half of. So whenever we have of, this is very important. Of means times. Okay, square of a number. Of means times. Of is one of the most critical word which you should pick up at this stage. Whenever you get of in a sentence, it implies multiplication, correct? So remember that part. Let's do some more examples where multiplication and division is involved, and then we'll have a practice test. Thank you.